Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today we're going to talk about 5 best bridge or point and shoot cameras that can be used to start with macro photography. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tutorials from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today we're going to talk about 5 best bridge or point and shoot cameras that can be used for macro photography. They may not be able to match an expensive DSLR with macro lens that gives you 1:1 magnification, but they are great to start with macro photography and they don't burn a huge hole in your pocket. Point and shoot cameras can be cost effective and lightweight and can give you some very sharp and good quality images. For macro photography, the lens is more important than the camera. The lens should enable you to go close to the subject and it should give you a 1:1 magnification of the subject. Now we'll come to our 5 best cameras. The body of the Ricoh WG50 is very durable. It is waterproof down to 14 meters, plus it is shockproof, crush-proof, and freeze-proof. Its amazing ability to take great macro shots underwater makes it very appealing to users. Price on Amazon rupees 47,999. Another waterproof camera on my list is the Olympus TG5. It is waterproof to a depth of 50 feet, dustproof, crush-proof up to 220 pounds, freeze-proof to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and shock-proof to a height of 7 feet. So you cannot destroy this camera very easily. What makes it great for macro photography is its macro mode that can focus from 1 centimeter to infinity. Price on Amazon is around 69,086 rupees. Nikon Coolpix W300 is another waterproof camera on my list. Like the Ricoh camera, it also has a dedicated macro mode that allows me to focus on the subject as close as 1 centimeter. This, coupled with its 5x optical zoom and vibration reduction technology, makes it a strong performer with regards to macro photography. It is available in 4 different colors and all colors have different prices, but they're all priced at around 25,000 rupees. Next on the list is the Panasonic DC-ZS70 Lumix that is priced at around 59,999 rupees on Amazon. It has 4K video recording capacity, 30x optical zoom, and a 20 megapixel image sensor. Now, what is really helpful for macro photography in this camera is its ability to focus track. So it can allow me to capture a larger depth of field than would otherwise be possible. And its unique macro mode allows me the minimum focusing distance of 3 centimeters. The Fujifilm FinePix XP130 integrates 4 rugged detection features. Waterproof to a depth of 65 feet, shockproof to withstand drops from about 5.8 feet, freeze-proof to minus 10 degrees Celsius, and dustproof that helps me avoid having dust and dirt on my camera. You can go closer to the subject using its 10x intelligent digital zoom. You can use this camera for a variety of outdoor scenes. It has 5 different colors and they are all priced at around 28,278 rupees. So guys, these are the 5 best cameras that you can use to start with macro photography. And if you liked my video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any more cameras to add to my list of best macro photography cameras. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous camera tutorial. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.